We welcome you to the exclusive Sikkim IPR Calendar app. The core aim of the app is to provide the user with information on the various calendar events and gazetted holidays that are observed in the state of Sikkim. This is a widget-based app currently available on all Android platforms. Sikkim is a region of diverse cultures and timeless traditions that have been respectfully followed to this day across all communities and cultures. Along with festivals that are unique to the state, Sikkim also regards national-level festivals and honors them by observing them as gazetted holidays. The Sikkim Calendar app will host details of all these gazetted festivals and holidays that appear in the government almanac. The dates marked in red indicate the festivals and holidays. If you click on the red numbered date, you'll be directed towards a landing page that would give you the details of these festivals and gazetted events. You'll also be shown a YouTube link which would direct you to an informative video on that particular event or festival. The digital photos on the app portrays the nature, culture, tradition and modern and heritage infrastructure of the state of Sikkim and would be changed after every 15 days. There are green dates marked on the calendar as well, which indicates state government events. If you click on it, you will be able to access the event, function, launch of the state government that took place on that particular date. There will also be a link directing you to the website of the state government, which would give you the access to complete information on it while also giving various other information related to the state government. The Sikkim IPR Calendar app is another milestone effort of the state government towards digitization through the availability of information at one's fingertips. The app, which is currently available only on Android platform, is also being rapidly developed for iOS platform for overall inclusivity. It also has widgets with 4 different display options that can be added to the phone home screen according to one's preference. The Sikkim IPR Calendar widget will be available on the widget bar on one's phone screen after downloading the app.